Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is liquid pressure. As we know, liquids do not have definite shape but they have definite volume. They take the shape of container in which they are kept. Liquids exert pressure not only on the bottom of the container but also sideways on the walls of the container. Liquid pressure is a measurement of the force per unit area. Some examples involving liquid pressure. The pressure at the bottom of an ocean is very high. Deep sea divers have to wear special diving suits to protect their bodies from being affected by the pressure of water above them. Aquatic animals such as fish have their blood flowing with very high pressure due to the pressure of the sea. Submarines are built of hard, thick sheets of metal to withstand the high pressure of seawater. Dams are broader and thicker at the base than the top to withstand the high pressure at the bottom. Measuring liquid pressure. Liquid pressure is measured by a device called manometer. It has a glass U-tube fixed to a stand with a ruler. The U-tube of the manometer is half filled with water or mercury. One end of the tube is open and the other end is attached to a funnel through a flexible tube. The mouth of the funnel is covered with a tight, thin rubber skin. When the funnel is exposed to the air, only atmospheric pressure acts on it. This is equal to the pressure acting on the open end of the U-tube. Therefore, the level of the liquid will be same in both the arms. If the rubber skin is pressed lightly, the pressure on the rubber skin increases. Therefore, the level of the liquid in one of the arms of the U-shaped tube rises. The difference in level can be read on the ruler. This is a measure of the pressure exerted on the rubber skin. Characteristics of liquid pressure. Liquid pressure increases with depth because the liquid at lower depths has to support all of the water above it. Liquid pressure remains the same in all directions at the same depth. Liquid pressure depends upon the density of the liquid. Pressure increases with an increase in density of the liquid. Water is more denser than kerosene. Liquid pressure does not depend on the shape of the container in which it is poured, and the liquid seeks its own level. Liquid exerts lateral pressure. Pressure exerted by water in all directions on the side walls of the vessel is called lateral pressure. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it.